Which car are we driving today? Airplane. Hello, how can I help you? I want to go on a trip, but I don't know where to go. Can you help me pick a destination? Australia, United States, Japan. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please open passengers. Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete. Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way. Passengers, we will arrive in Australia shortly. Let's go to the Opera House and enjoy some amazing music. Unable to download, please ask Dad or... Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safe... Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly. Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our heads.
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now. Passengers, the meal service is now starting.
I'm done eating. I like the food.
Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly.
This is a...
Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.